All right, we hit a milestone. I installed 100 posted signs. That first pack of posted signs that you saw me buy a couple videos back, well, I just finished putting the last of them up. And most of them are just scattered around the property here and there, wherever there's some trails. But this particular stretch right here is along the road. I guess it's about 3/8 of a mile long right here, this stretch, and I'm worried about people doing road hunting right here and shooting down into our woods. We own both sides of the road, but that goes up a big hill here, and across here is all our fields through these woods. So in the wintertime, you might be able to see deer coming out of these woods. So I put these posted signs on, and you let me know if these people are going to get the message with this or not. 100 posted signs. All right, that's the second entrance to the property back there. And I just finished putting up those posted signs, and it's all going to be on my left side of the road. I'm going to drive past this and show you what I just did. Of course, it's raining, and we just finished, or I just finished all this. So everything on the left side is what I posted, and you can barely see the fields through the woods up there. There it is back there. That's our big field. But I'm worried about people road hunting, like I said, so I had to finish up these posted signs. 100, and I kind of guessed. So I put them about every 50 feet on this left side of the road here. Just to give you an idea what it looks like. And maybe you could tell me if you get the hint. Are these posted signs good enough here or what? Or do I need more? I don't know. Show you in case you didn't see the first video. I'll hop out and show you. SeriousPopPropertyMarkers.com. And that's it. Lots of deer trails cutting in there across the road, and we own both sides here. And I will eventually post that sign too, maybe next year, but I got to get some more signs. 100 is nowhere near enough. Nowhere near enough. So, but that's my longest stretch right here in a row. Everything else is kind of scattered around different places.